Good morning. My name is Rohit Sahu and today I am going to show our NCC exhibition. So these are some of the things we are showcasing in our NCC exhibition. Like first you can see here is the national anthem of India, and these are the vacancies reserved for NCC C certificate holders. This is a very beneficial part of life. If someone is wanting to become Indian Army, so one can pursue with NCC and get 5 marks extra. So you can see 50 vacancies per course for short service commission, IMA Dehradun up to 26 vacancies per course through UPSC and SSB interview. So there are many benefits for the NCC cadets who are pursuing for army. And this is one of the firing about the ideas. If anyone is pursuing with the firing sport, so they can take this and learn about this. These are how to do salute with and without arm. And this is one model of firing range. And here is one model of the aircraft, the Operation Sindoor. The Air Force has also helped in many ways in Operation Sindoor. And this is a model of LOC, the Indian-Pakistan War. This is also a model of LOC, the Indian-Pakistan War. And these are some of our achievements, like you can see here. In January 26th, we have won one shield, and the cadets attending the camp, they have also won some certificates. And I also have made many achievements in NCC. I have made TSC camp and went till pre-TSC, which is a national level camp. And here you can see some benefits for the NCC cadets who are willing to go for Indian Army. And these are some of the movements and section formations of the Indian Army while the war. If there is a shortage of Indian Army during the war, then the cadets can go and help them. And you can see here the NCC also contains of some compass like things. Map reading is also there, like prismatic compass, and physical training is also there, like firing, drill, exercises, and the selection, the DST, drill square test. These all. NCC also has sports like cycling and running. And you can see the aims and objectives of our NCC: to create human resource of organized, trained and motivated youth, to provide a suitable environment to motivate the youth, to develop character, comradeship, discipline, leadership, secular outlooks. And these are some activities of the NCC cadets, like 1-day camp, hiking, 10 days camp. There are many 10 days camp, like CATC camp, army attachment camp, like these all. Tree plantation is also there. Punit Sagar Abhiyan is there. The photo of NCC Day is there. And some camp activities are also there here. Like during the morning time, the PT period is going on, the theory class is going on, and we are being learned about how to the fire safety measures, and the night time how the students are living their daily lives in camp. And these are some of the students who have won prize in drawing competition in camp. These are some of the students who have won prize in drill square test. And here you can see how to take a person if someone is very ill, if someone's legs are injured. And this is the NCC song, which is very essential. And you can see this one is the NCC office. NCC office is arranged like this. These are some of the study materials of the NCC cadets. If one book is there, Cadets Handbook, Specialized Subject Army. When the NCC cadets 2 years journey is completed, then they are giving exam, and the students can also get idea by reading these books. So this is a small exhibition. Thank you.